Hi, this is Ashwini. You're watching Ashwini.our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of 5 kurtas from Amazon. Again, I'm with the Amazon products. So let's see how it looks. Before going to my main video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share my channel. So again, I'm with the Amazon kurtas. So let's see how all kurtas looks like. Those all are from the brand called Vamshi. Those all from the brand called Vamshi, Vivant Fashion Vamshi brand. So those all are A-line kurtas. So let's see how the kurtas look like. Okay, so my first kurta is this one, a little pink colored kurta. So this is my first kurta. So this is a light pink in color, and over that in front of this kurta, this type of printed pattern design is there. This type of design on just this kind of a design, and below that this kind of a design is there. Okay, printed pattern design is there. So the 3/4 sleeves were there, and the neck of this one is just to look like this round shape neck is there. Okay, so this is a little transient nature. So you must and should wear the inner inside this kurtas. Okay, so this is what my first kurta. So as the length of this one is my height is 5'3", it reaches to me a calf length. Okay, so this is my first kurta. Behind this kurta, the plain, all 5 kurtas are of same pattern only, same cloth only. In front there is a design, printed design, but in the back there is a plain design is there. So no any design. Okay, so all 5 kurtas are of from a Vivant Fashion Vamshi brand only, A-line crepe kurtas. So those are all of MRP price of these all kurtas are of the 999, but it reaches to me 299 each, 299. Okay, under 300 you're getting such a good quality kurtas. It's a very good deal. Okay, so this is my first kurta. So this is my first kurta, very dull in color. When I search in Amazon site, search in this kind of a kurta, it is very dark shaded kurta, but when it reaches to me it's very dull. So I was little upset by seeing this kurta. Don't worry, I don't want to return it, so I just want to wear it. Okay, so this is a 3/4 sleeves. This is having the 3/4 sleeves, and so mine height is 5'3", and it reaches to me a calf length. Okay, so this is about my first kurta. So the MRP price of this is 399, but it reaches to me at 299. So let's see how it looks on me. Okay, this is my first. My second kurta is this one. Okay, so the second kurta is baby pink color in baby pink colored kurta. On front this multicolored printed pattern is there all over the, not all over, on the front of this kurta this kind of multicolored printed pattern is there, and same, the neck is same. Okay, like a round shape neck, and the 3/4 sleeves were there. Sleeves are sleeves are also plain color sleeves. It is of 3/4 sleeves, and in back also plain back is there. Okay, no any design, only in front this kind of a printed pattern is there. This is also a little transy. Just wear a inner inside this kurta. You may can pair up this as it is a multicolored printed pattern is there. You may can pair up with a white color palazzo, black color palazzo, this color palazzo. What is this? Light blue color palazzo. No, you may can wear with a palazzo, straight palazzo, or you may can wear with a leggings also. Okay, so this is my second kurta. So this is also from the Vivant Fashion Vamshi brand, A-line kurta. So the MRP price is 399, and it is to me 299. Let's see how it looks on me. Okay. My third kurta is white color kurta, but in the front it is a white color kurta. In front it is printed by this kind of a design. Okay, printed pattern on front. This kind of a printed pattern is there. So the sleeves are of also a plain sleeves, but at the bottom of this sleeves, no, this kind of a design, printed pattern is there. So back also a plain back in kurta. No any printed pattern, only, and front this kind of a printed pattern is there. Blue color printed pattern is there. Okay, you can pair up with the blue color palazzo or jeans or any kind of a leggings. You can pair up with this. Okay, so this is my third kurta. Mine size is yes, and it suits me very well. Okay, so the brand called Vivan Fashion, and the Georgette, fabric of this kurta is Georgette, and I like Georgette kurtas very much because no any easy to wash, easy to wear, soft in touch, no any color leakage issues. So that I like Georgette kurtas. Okay, so the MRP price of 999 and it reaches to 299. Okay, so this is my third kurta. Let's see how it looks on me. Okay, and this one. This one is my favorite one. Yellow colored kurta, not fully yellow color, it's just a light yellow color in color, and yellow colored kurta. So along this it is a contrasted color print work all over this kurta. So on just this type of printed pattern, pink and light blue colored design pattern is there, and below this kurta, below of this kurta, this kind of a design is there. So we make and pair up with any kind of plazo, or make and pair up with a pink color plazo or jeans or leggings also. Okay, as it is a little transy, you must should wear inner in this. Okay, so mine size is yes, I ordered yes only, and it fit S size, fits very well. Okay, sleeves are of plain only. Okay, and as you know, the brand is Vamshi only, Vivan Fashion brand. Kurta is this one. This one is my favorite kurta because of navy blue color kurta. Over this kurta, this one is a big flowered, multicolored flower design, printed design is there over this one. So as the neck is look like this, same pattern. Okay, same neck design or round shape design, and the sleeves are of 3/4. In front of this sleeves, this kind of a printed pattern is there. Back is a plain one, and in front this kind of a design is there, printed design. Big flowered, multicolored flower along with this multicolored small flower is there. Okay, so this is what the kurta. So this one is my favorite kurta. Below 300 you're getting such a big it's such a nice kurta. It's a big deal. So this is what my 5 kurtas, and MRP price of this one is 999, but it reaches me 299. Okay, so very nice deal. Under 300 you're getting such a cute and very soft touch kurtas. It's a very good deal. Okay, so if you are a housewife, if you are for college girls or teenagers, you want to wear go for a little chota mota parties, you want to wear in a regular basis, you're gonna buy these kind of kurtas. That's from Amazon. A very good deal. Under 300 you're getting a good fabrics and good printed design kurtas. Okay, so this is about the kurtas. That's it for today's video. Please do watch all kind of videos. Don't skip the videos, and please do watch my video, share, like, subscribe my video. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video.